In the caryophyllaceous type of the polypetalous corolla, you will find there are 5 petals, and these 5 petals also are ungulate type of 5 petals. That means they will have a claw and they will have a different shape and arrangement of the limb. In this case, you will find there is a 90-degree angle between the claw and the limb, and 5 petals are there. Because of 5 petals, this is distinguishable from this one. So 4 petals are found in the cruciform and 5 petals are found in the caryophyllaceous type. Now the next one is rosaceous one. Rosaceous is found in the rose, and maximum of the plants will have rosaceous type of polypetalous corolla, where 5 or more than 5 petals are there, and they are also unguiculate type of petals. There will be a very small claw, or you can say almost this claw is absent type, and such flowers therefore are called as sessile type. So the opposite of unguiculate petals would be the sessile petals, where claw is almost reduced to negligible size. Then the next one is pepilinaceous type of flowers in the polypetalous corolla, where you will find there are 5 petals, but these 5 petals are unequal. So you can say it is an example of irregular, because remember we have done already what is regular flower, where all the members in a whorl are similar. Now there are plants like example Fabaceae family or the beans family or mutter family. You will find that their flowers look like papillon. Papillon is a French word which stands for butterfly. So their flowers look like butterfly when you see from them front. Papillon, it's a French word. So pepilinaceous flowers look like butterfly, and there are 5 petals, and the petals would be irregular in size, because one petal is the posterior most, the back side one, posterior most, which is the largest one in size and is called as standard, also called as the vexillum. This is the first petal. Then we have 2 petals as the wings at the lateral side. So posterior, one posterior, 2 laterals will be there, and they are also called as alae or wings. And then there are 2 petals which are very small and in the front side, so they are anterior. Anterior means front, and they are called as keel or carina. Remember, they are fused. So this is free, these are free, this is slightly fused at the center. So this is how pepilinaceous petals look like. Now this brings us to the next type of petals, which is called as the gamopetalous type of corolla. So gamopetalous means the petals are fused. So the fused petals can have various shapes possible. It can be bell shape. If the shape is bell shape, it is called as the campanulate. If the shape is urn shape, similar names which we have learned in the calyx. If it is bell shape, it is called as campanulate. Example is campanula plant. If it is urn shape, it is called as urceolate. Easiest example, bryophyllum. Tubular with spreading lobes is called as hypocrateriform or salver shape. Hypocrateriform or salver shape is found in Clerodendrum. Also found in the case of the Rangoon creeper, what you call as Quisquinalis indica, or also called as Combretum indica. Then funnel shape is called as infundibulum. Infundibulum is found in Solanaceae family, or you can say Petunia or Dhatura. Tube-like is called as the tubular. Tubular is found in the case of Asteraceae family or sunflower family, also called Composita. Narrow tube which expands above is called as the ligulate. Ligulate is also found in the case of sunflower, because if you remember, I have told you various types of florets are there. Then flat circular is found in the case of the many plants. For example, if you see the chili flower in the chili, or if you have seen the flower of tomatoes, you will find the flower look like a circle or a wheel. So such type of corolla would be called as rotate type. In the same manner, in the case of Tulsi family, or also called as the Labiatae family or Lamellae family, you will find that there are two lips. Because two lips are there, so the word used is bilabiate. Bi means two, labia means lips. And then two lips is possible to be of two type, completely closed with small gap or wide one. So if the gap between two lips is wide, it is called as ringent type. If the gap between the two lips is narrow, it is called as personate type. So the ringent type and personate are the two types which are possible. Now ringent is found in salvia. Salvia grows in our school also in winters. It's a winter blooming plant. Up to April it continues to bloom. And the personate type is found in Antirrhinum, which is also called in local language as kuttafool or snapdragon or dog flower. So you will find that there is a very narrow gap between two petals. Two petal mean two lip-like structure. Three petals on top, two petals below. So total 5 petals are there, and the 3 top petals and the 2 bottom petals, they form a lip-like structure. If the gap is small, it is called personate. If the gap is wide, it is called as ringent type. Even spurred type is present. Spurred type is present in the same garden nasturtium as well as delphinium or larkspur. If it is spur present, then it is called a spur type. So these are the various types of gamopetalous corolla. Remember, these names are very much same like the calyx. So once you have covered for one topic, it is easy to understand for the next topic also. This brings us to the next topic, and that is the estivation. Now, what exactly is the estivation? It is the arrangement of accessory floral organs. So when we say accessory floral organ, we are only talking about sepals and petals. So how are sepals and petals arranged? That arrangement is learned and studied in the bud condition and is called as estivation.